behalf of the Benicio Peralta family, I'm reading a eulogy for Sister Lilia. The bittermost hour of parting has come, and here lies cold, still, and lifeless, and beloved Sister Lilia. The once young and vibrant teacher who molded the innocent into worthwhile citizens of society, a lovable mother who trained her offspring to be good children of God, a beautiful wife, so faithful and caring to her God-given husband, a good Christian neighbor with a generous heart and helping hands, and a good child of God and man. Let us not make this sad moment of unwanted separation to be a time for tears, but rather a time to reminisce and bring back the golden memories of the past. And so, before we bid farewell to our precious mom and Sister Lilia, let us take her by the hand and together stroll back along the thorny and rosy trail of yesterday. I first met her at our old district office in Tantanan District on her first day of service, full of smiles and determination to be a member of the noblest profession. Welcome, Ma'am Lilia. What grade do you like to teach? I asked her. Kahit ano, sir. She nervously answered, because you forgot to grow, teach, and play with the small kids, I made her smile. Salamat, sir. She pouted, a very obedient and helpful teacher. One morning, I entered her classroom, which was so clean, tidy, and complete with necessary teaching devices, neatly displayed and ready for use. For her well-dressed, clean, and polite pupils who actively participated in the class activities under the group tutorship of a motherly teacher. To my amazement, her classroom was a beehive of youthful, active, and enjoyable teaching, learning experience, proving that Ma'am Lilia was totally not a weak state teacher, but a model mentor who earned her bread by the sweat of her heart, of her brow. To you, Ma'am Lilia, grateful thanks for being a model teacher, a lovable sister in the profession, who will leave behind in us the true spirit of love, respect, and preservation of teachers' need for country and love. Paalam, mahal naming kapatid, at kung masaya at matagumpay